Okay. On the back, we have more restas. And these, again, are easy. If you've been doing your flashcards, you should know this. What's 6 minus 6? Well, if I have 6 fingers and take away 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what do I have left? Zero. Right? I have 0 fingers left. So 6 minus 6 is 0. This is 6 minus 3 down here. 6 menos 3. If I have 6 fingers and I take away 3, 1, 2, 3, what do I have left? I have 3 fingers left, okay? These are super easy. You go ahead and, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to stop talking so you can pause the video and go ahead and do these yourself. Okay, next we have friends más de and menos de again. Okay, just like on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to let you do these by yourself. Right? If you forget how this works, then go back in the video to when we were doing this and watch that again. Okay, remember the big number gets 2 points, 2 puntos. And the small number gets 1 point, 1 punto. Okay? So, pause the video, go ahead and do that. And when you're done, we'll move on to our next step. Okay. Now, today we're going to learn about halves, mitades. Okay? Now, what is 1/2? What is half? Well, half is when you can split something into 2 groups and have the same number of things in each group. So for instance, here I have 6 fingers. Okay? I have 6 fingers. We go like that. I have 6 fingers. And I want to split it in half. What do I have to do? Well, I take 1 finger on this side and 1 finger on this side. 1 finger on this side and 1 finger on this side. 1 finger on this side, 1 finger on this side. So, what have I done? I put some of them here and some of them here. Okay? I had 6 fingers. I still have 6 fingers, but now I have them in 2 groups. I have the same group in each hand. So how many do I have here? I have 3. And how many do I have here? I have 3. I have 2 groups of 3. 1/2 of 6 is 3. Un mitad de 6 son 3. Let me grab here and grab my reglas. Okay. I want to split these reglas into groups, into 2 groups. And I want to have the same in each group. So, let's put 1 in this side and 1 on this side. And 1 on this side and 1 on this side. 1 on this side and 1 on this side. 1 on this side and 1 on this side. 1 on this side and 1 on this side. 1 on this side and 1 on this side. I put the same number into both groups. These are both have the same number of reglas in both hands. So how many do I have in this hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 in this hand. How many do I have in this hand? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many reglas do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 reglas. I have 6 in each hand. I have 2 groups with the same number in them. 1/2 of 12 is 6. Un mitad de 12 son 6. Do you see how this works? Let's take a look at our paper here. We have some círculos. How many círculos do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to put them into 2 groups. So I have the same number in both groups. So what do? I put this in one group and this in the second group. This in the first, this in the second, this in the first, this in the second, this in the first, this in the second. What is 1/2 of 8? Here I have 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 fingers, 2 groups of 4. 1/2 of 8 is 4. Un mitad de 8 es 4. Okay? So, if I wanted to put a circle around 1/2 of each group, I would circle 4 of these. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See that? I have the same fingers in each hand. I have 3 here and 3 here, and they make up 6. On one hand, I have 3. So 1/2 of 6 is 3. Un mitad de 6 es 3. So circle 3 of these triangles. Okay. Now let's take a look at, here I have some moscas. And they've been split in 2. See that? One of these has the same number of moscas on both sides. That is the one that is divided in half. Okay? All of these, they got a line down them, but only one of them has 2 halves that are equal. Dos mitades son iguales. Let's take a look at this one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Is this divided in half? No, it's not. Because there's 5 here and 4 here. They're not the same. They're not mismos. So that one doesn't work. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. Is that one in half? Is that one in mitades? No. Because they're not iguales. They're not the same. But how about this one? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. I have 5 here and 5 here. Are they the same? Yes, they are. So which one is the one that is in halves? Which one is one that is in mitades? This one, because I have the same number on both sides. Again, if you're still a little confused about this, don't worry. We will work on this more in the days to come. All right, and then one thing more. It says fill in the missing numbers by 1s, 2s, 5s, and 10s. What does that mean? Well, let's count by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And we'll count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You should have learned all this by now. Okay, let's take a look at this. Here we have 33, a blank, 35 and a blank. What number is between 33 and 35? ¿Qué números entre de 33 y 35? 34, right? 34. So we have 33, 34, 35, 36. That's easy, right? How about this one? What number is entre de 70 y 74? What number is between 70 and 74? Well, there are two numbers, right? There's 71, there's three numbers, there's 71, 72, and 73. But we only have space for one. So here we're counting by twos. 70, 72, 74, 76. 70, 70, 72, 74, 76. Okay, here, we have lots of numbers between 75 and 90, right? We're counting by fives. Contamos por cinco. 75, what comes next? 80, 80. 85, 85, 90. Okay, and our last one. We'll go backwards on this one. This should make it easier. 40, 30, what comes next? Counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Got backwards. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Okay. All right, that's our math lesson for today. It was kind of a long one. But it's okay. If you're still a little don't don't worry. We're going to work on this stuff together until we all get it right. Okay? All right. You can put that away now and go on to your English.